आज हम वेडिंग केक रॉक जा रहे हैं जी and it's gonna be really nice sunny day as you can see and it's gonna be really nice walk too. I think it's like half an hour 45 minutes. Let's head to the car and then get going. Yay! So guys, now we are heading to Wedding Cake Rock. There you go guys. We are halfway through our journey. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Are really windy over here. We are in Royal National Park. It's quite amazing to drive, but quite risky as well. See, look at that. It's pretty much like a U-turn. Alright guys, this is a track towards the Wedding Cake Rock. It's quite unusual as you can see, not smooth, but anyway, it's nice, it feels good. It's a nice sunny day, clear blue sky, and the bushes around. A nice track, there you go. Look at the view guys. As you can see, the sea. Hey, it sounds funny, eh? You can see the sea. Check this out, guys. Can you hear the sound of Mother Nature? As the water hitting the wall. Look at this. I'm standing on the verge. This is me. And this is the edge of the cliff. Wow. The water hitting the rocks. So mesmerizing and so beautiful. It's called Mother Nature, guys. Oh, there's another plane. Where is it? Can I spot it? Mother Nature. There you go guys, we have finished our walk to Wedding Cake Rock. As it says, it can fall anytime because of the big crack, as you can see right over here. Look at that, check this one out. It's perfect place to fly your drone over here. As you can see, I don't know if I can get it or not. Here you go, someone is flying their drone, which is great. Oh my god, this is the Mother Nature, man. It heals. Look at that, the beautiful sun. It's about to set soon. There you go, guys. This is a wedding cake rock from the other angle. As you can see, the cake even already been cut, so you can eat it. Or the sea can eat it, I would say. Mother Nature.